especially for those of you who are doing collaborations on Instagram, or if you are boosting your posts, you know that you always going to have new eyes coming to your account. New people are going to come. So only in a few seconds, when they come to your profile, they're going to see a lot of information. And sometimes one of the ideas is that Instagram should work as I call it a magnetized funnel. So when people find your Instagram, that person that for the first time, they find your profile because you did a collaboration. Instagram should work as an eye-catching, like a shop window. When you go to a shop and you see that they have placed everything beautifully, and then you can go and see, and everything is there for you. This is also the other perspective, the other angle. We should be looking Instagram as well. And we're going to see all of that today. All right, so let's dive a little bit deeper. Next part, it's this part over here, which is the Instagram bio. You have here a few words just to give that impression to the person, to qualify that person. When someone finds you, this is when they read this phrase, it's basically the moment when they are going to decide whether or not your profile, your business, your brand, it's something that it's of their interest or not. And now we have these highlights. Who is using the highlights on your Instagram? Raise your hand so that I can see you if you use the highlights. So highlights, it's another place that some people that I work with, they feel or they think that people don't visit, but actually highlights are incredible. And when people find you for the first time, you've never met you, one of the places that they're going to go and see is the highlights. And the good thing about the highlights, it's that you can include links. That this is something that people see only in a few seconds. When they find your profile, they haven't reached yet the post that you did yesterday, which is down here. They're still here. Yeah, it's only a few seconds. But you know how can you create? And this is when I was talking about the metaphor of the shop. They come to your shop and they see and they know where to find the things, and the things are really well placed for them to know where to go. And finally, content that does not have a clear objective. So you need to understand why you are boosting. Is it to promote your retreat? Is it to bring new clients, new eyes to your profile? So the saves, the profile visits, the external link tabs, for me, are the best three. And this is it. This is what I wanted to share with you today. That's all. I don't have anything else for you today.